adult kids. Today, my cat is with Rosvita.
Hi, you're on the channel Bike Order. Today we're going to learn to ride bikes.
On 2 wheels.
How many wheels do you have now?
4 wheels.
And how many does Tema have? Tema has 2. Tema has a training bike. He has a bike, a cool one. This forge is large in size. Right now we are filming, so Tema will have his little one. We are filming the wheels. On felt on the bike. The light was on because all my girlfriends already know how to ride. Oval still hasn't learned. We will learn. We all can't live just once, by the way. So you see Christina is riding, but her friend still isn't. Tema, pass me the key. Christina's friend is already riding the big bike, but we still can't. So right now. Oh, Christina fell by herself. Christina, you see, is also not doing well riding. So our wheels are already off. Now we're going to practice to ride. Right now, Tema and Valja are going to learn how to ride on 2 wheels. Christina helps. Let's have Christina help you. Yeah, Christina. And Tema already knows how to ride. Yes. He has a small sports training bike. And this one, yes, already knows how to ride. And Valja is already learning and... Come on, come on. Now we're going back. Let's try. The main thing is when you're riding, don't jerk the handlebars suddenly, because you could fall. And look at the road, not at your feet. Let's go. Oops. And if you suddenly fall, you need to jump off quickly and touch the ground with your feet. Come on, Valjuka. Come on, Valjuka, learn. Tema has already learned a little, right? Tema knows how to ride. Vale is already riding by herself. Wow, hold on. If you fall, jump off right away. Try it on your own. Tioma is already riding well, but Vale still doesn't know how. Come on, Vale, show us what you can do. Just give him a little push. Push down on the pedals and... push off and ride. Do you see Christina riding? He already has a big adult bike, but Vale doesn't have one yet. Christina, help Vale ride over there. Right now, Christina will help you. Right now, Christina will help, like this, Vale. Today we're learning to ride a bike on 2 wheels, right?
Come on, show us.
Come on, just come on, a little bit more out. Come on. Come on, come on. Well done. Break it. In. We're going in the opposite direction. Come on, practice. Well, the main thing is to know how, when you're trying to ride on 2 wheels, you push down on the pedal right away and then push off. The main thing is to gain some initial speed so you don't fall, because no one knows how to do it. Only cheese curds can stay in one place and not fall. Put the pedals in the riding position. Pedal forward. More, more, more. Now you're going to put your foot on the pedal and push off and press the pedal. Come on, come on. Oops. Sit down again. Try it. Okay, let's go to that pedal, the other one. Hold on, or push off. Come on. Come on, come on. Sit down. Come on. Oops. All right, now press the pedal and go. Push off, press the pedal and push off. Come on, come on. Oops, come on, come on. Oh, did you get it? Let's try again, just like that. Pedal it. Oops, like that. From the other side. One foot stays still, the other one presses the pedal. Come on, sit down, sit down. Learn to, come on. Okay, that's it. Come on, I'm pressing the pedal for you. Oops, and push off. Come on. One go and off you go. Up the attempt. You'll help Valya. Now who will help Valya? Yeah, come on Valya, sit down. And Tioma will cling to not fall. Sit down, okay, now push Tioma. Come on, come on. The main thing is to know how to jump off the bike in time to avoid getting hurt. Tioma, push the bike from behind. Valyusha, sit down, and Tioma will give you a push. Tioma, give her a push, come on. Valya went into the bushes, don't ride. Let's go. It's okay, we'll learn now. Tioma, help Valya. Hold the bike. Alright, like this. Tioma, hold the bike so Valya doesn't fall. Okay, push the bike, Tioma. Tioma, push the bike forward. Push forward, Valya. Oops, come on, come on. Here goes Valya. She's already riding. Oops. Valya, keep your eyes on the roads, dear. Tioma, let's do it again. Alright, Valyusha, get on the bike. Let's go. Look, Valya has already learned to ride with us. Come on. Show me how you can ride. The first time? That's how I taught you. Pedal. Forward. Come from the other side. Come on, drive like you can. Show me. Come on, push off and ride. Come on, come on. Oh, good job. Come on. Don't press the brakes. Let's do it again, just like I taught you. Come on, that's right. Oh, come on. Come on. Oh, it's working. I learned. See, it's all so simple. The main thing is to know when to jump off, right? Next. The next step will be learning how to turn around, right? Oh, Christina has a big bike. It's already for grown-ups. What is a spinner? What is that? Wow. Is it a special spinner like that? What does it do? Oh. Is it magical? Wow. Cool, military. Did Valya order like that, Tema, too? Now let's take care of Tema, right, Tema? So what's going on with Tema? Are we taking off the wheels too? Where's your big bike? Let's take off the wheels of the big bike. Bring your big bike. Little one's trained, right, Tioma? Uh-huh. Go ahead, Tioma. Bring your big one.
Valya is here and Tioma got the bike. And Valya is doing all she can. Show who can do it. Kitty, we have it. The kitty can't ride a bike yet. Valya, did you fall over there? Come on, lift it up. Try again. Lift it up. Come on. Get ready. Let's go. Straighten the handlebars. Now I'm going to fall while riding to the right. So Valya, show that you can ride. So you show us. Now we'll figure it out with you, and he will show a master class. Percy, with us until Valia, come on. Just don't crash the car. Let's get to topic. What do we have here, Wheels? We need to take them off too? Yes, Timochka? Let's take the key. She will measure the key. Will this socket fit or not? Doesn't fit? Do we need more? More. Come here, come here. Let's take this one. Let's put on a bigger one. I'm trying this one. Other side. It doesn't fit anymore. Give me more. Let's do more like this. I'm trying. This one. It fits, so let's take it. It's a special key. This is how we start from the best. Yes, Tomochka. Turn it. Let's go. Okay, wait a second. I'm going to unscrew it now. There's a switch here. Which way do I turn it? Press it. Put it on well. Alright, tight all the way. One, that's it. Unscrew it. Now, Christina will teach Teoma some more, right? Let me help you. Let me help. Hey. Look. Teoma, go learn. You're unscrewing. Theme on wheels. Yes? Yeah. And the theme will show class of riding with the kitten.
Now the topic will be showing a comprehensive and informative class session on the art of riding, in detail, covering various techniques involved in riding without the wheels.
We're taking off the wheel.
Of course, without the little wheels, it will inevitably fall, as expected, and predictably, but still, as one might anticipate. You can ride. Now let's see how Teoma will ride. Yes, Teoma? Alright, we're unscrewing it. I'm being very gentle, I just don't want to. Nuts. And we're taking it off. Down with the small wheels, right? Teoma has already grown up. Soon. September 1st, he's going to school already.
Oh, you know, I'm actually going to school right now.
Teoma, which grade are you going to? To kindergarten. To kindergarten, so to speak. And here, to that.
Teoma with us. Teoma, what? You don't want to?
Yes, what?
You... What? I want to.
About you?
I want to. How old will Teoma be? He'll be 6, right? Not for me, he's 6 now.
So in December, he'll be everyone until...
And I'll be 8, you know, right?
Wait, it's just really quite big indeed.
He ran away.
So the topic we, at least remove the hooks and nuts. Now we're trying to ride, let our hooks all rest. Now I'm going to show you some awesome riding.
On a big bike. Let's go.
Alright, let's start at darkness. First to try it like this. Like I taught you. Press the pedal with your right foot. Where's your right foot? Stand on your left. Put your right foot on the pedal. No, the left one is on the floor. Put your right foot on the pedal. Put your right foot on the pedal. Let's go. Let's do it lower. Teoma, are you ready? Let's go. Come on, Christina is teaching. Come on, Teoma. Go on, Teoma, come on. Attempt number 1. All right, let's do it. Below, the seat. Are we doing it or not?
Now, could you please?
Go on, try it. Come on, I taught you. Give the pedal a little spin. Oops, all done now. Sit down. One foot, the left one, is on the ground.
On the ground, and the right one is pressing.
Let's go. Oops, come on, push off. Push off and press the pedal. Come on, oops, right, don't jump off, don't be afraid.
Come on. I really taught you, you know, right?
Come on, I taught you. Let's set the pedal to the starting position.
Pedal it around.
Pedal it around so that you have the first pedal under your foot. Keep pedaling. More, even harder. Oops, all right, stop. All right, now put your foot down and sit on the seat. Put this foot on the pedal. Sit up straight. Let's go. Grandpa and Grandma will be happy that you've already learned. She's trying pushing off. No, push the pedal forward. Let go. Come on. And Tioma can do it, right? Show me who can do it. Whoa! Wow, you can do it. Wow. Valya doesn't know. Valya, do you understand where I taught you? We just spin the pedal and that's it. Let's go. All right, now say what you want to say to the kids.
No, you can't see me.
Speak.
Please like and subscribe to the channel. Say goodbye to everyone.